morning, class 11. So we are going to take today the language topic, right? Book review. Children, it comes in our question number 2. Question number 2 that comes in your question paper, it is divided in 2 parts, fine. The A part is your report writing section, and in your report writing sections, few things are given, and out of those anything can be there. So the first topic we'll take today is book review. And what is a review? Review is the critical appraisal of something. It is a critical appraisal of a book, of a movie, of newspaper, magazine, anything. Fine. So what does a book review contain? It describes, analysis, and evaluate the merits of the contemporary work. Suppose you go through some book, you read it, how you analyze it, you like it, you don't like it, what is the message, right? What is the message it conveys? It conveys an opinion, supporting it with evidence from the book. So the book review that you write, it conveys your opinion about the book. Suppose you like the book very much and you find it worth reading, so the book review that you write, it will convey your opinion. And how you will support your opinion? You will give the evidence from the book. With these are the things here in this book, this is the story, these are the characters. Clear? Fine. It is unbiased and critical in nature. What does it mean by unbiased? While you're writing some book, you should not do the partiality. Suppose you are reading the book of some author whom you don't like, so it should not be like that you write the negative things of the book. The book review, right, it should be unbiased. If it is good, write it is good. If it is bad, write it is bad. Clear? And it should critical means the person should come to know that what you are writing, your clear opinion should be there in that. Fine. Although there is not a set formula for writing a book review, it does have certain common elements. These includes of what are the elements that we can include in our book writing? See, we have to write the title, author, publisher, number of pages, and what is the price of the book. Clear cut, it should be mentioned. Then an opening sentence to set the tone of the review. Your opening sentence should tell the readers what is your tone of review, giving the overall feel for the work, whether it is good or not. The general field or genre of the book, like fiction, then we have to write what is the genre. Genre means kind, what kind of book it is. It is fiction, non-fiction, it is historical. Fine. A concise summary of the plot, then we have to write the summary of a plot, a concise, precise summary. It should not be like that you just keep writing the summary of the book and you fill the pages. No, a short, precise summary should be there, followed by the specific aspect of the work, individual characters, incident, and scenes. The outstanding idea that run through the book. What is the idea? What is the message? Specific reference from the book to highlight its unique points. Some references if you want to give, some dialogues you want to give, clear, some places that are mentioned, if you want to give that, you can write. Overall impression of the work, including the shortcoming if any, and at the end you have to write the overall impression, right? And you have to include the shortcomings if any is there. Suppose you are writing a review of a book, the clear cut write what is the name of the book, this is the book. Suppose you are writing a review of the book If You Can Win, written by Shiv Kheda. So first write by You Can Win, written by Shiv Kheda, is one of the most popular counseling book. Then you have to write what is the genre of the, how many pages are there, 319 pages are there, what is the price of their, it costs 305 rupees, and whatever it is. And then write your opening sentence, it is one of the wonderful book, it is one of the most famous book I have ever, this is one of the most wonderful book I have ever read. So that tells us that yes, the book is very good. Then you have to write the concise summary, what is there, it gives us the positive aspects of life, it teaches us how we can come out from the difficulties, all these things. Then Fine. So this is how you'll write the book review. So go through it carefully. I'll send you a book review in your WhatsApp so that you can read it and get it how to write it. Thank you.